here is the logo we'll be making. Let's move to Pixellab now. Now we'll change the background to black, preferably black. Next, we would add text, and I'm trying to make a logo as fine as media. So let's go. SF. Okay. Now scroll along to styles and make it bold. And next, we will be going to spacing. We would reduce it. Okay, good. And then the next, we would add shapes. Now here is the shape, but I want to make it red. So this is it. I'm flipping it. I'm trying to cut out a part. I'm trying to cut out a part of the letters. But before that, I'll copy the letter to make it two. I'll keep that at a part. Now I would click here. When I click that, I would simply select here, and then I would select this and the first to make them a single image. You see that they are now a single image. So I'm going to scroll along to erase color. I'll click on that. It erased the text, which is white, but I want it to erase the image that is red. So I'll click here and then pick color. I'll pick the red and click tick. You see, it has erased part of the text. Now again, I would bring them together to see the part I would be erasing next. I would add shapes one more time and go to red. Now I'm trying to achieve the same thing one more time. Okay, this is it. Now I'll join this and this. I'll merge them, and I'll do the same thing we did at first. Erase color. I'll select red. You see, there are now two different texts, two different images forming a text. Next, we would add shapes, but this time we'll be merging the shapes into the text that is divided into two. Yes. See what you are trying to achieve. Then we will join that way. Then you copy it. Copy the same thing, use position to bring it to this part. Yes. Okay. Now we would be selecting and merging the two images. Now we want to verify which of them. I would select this and this. I'll be merging them, this and this. Okay, I'll click on this, merge, and next I'll click on this and this, and then I'll merge. So see what we achieved. So next we'll click on one of them and we'll go to texture. We'll select a golden texture and OK. You see that? Next we'll select the lower image and we'll go to texture one more time. This time we are adding a silver texture. Click OK. Then we'll bring them together. We are trying to align them. Now click on it and scroll down to 3D shape. Click enable and then reduce the depth. Okay, you can do the same for the lower part. 3D shape, enable and reduce the depth. That is it. Now click on text, add text. Now go to bold, bold. Now come to texture. Texture, we are selecting a silver texture. Good. And next we are adding another text and doing the same thing. We would make it bold. And back to texture. This time we are adding a golden texture. Here. Edit. Change it to media. Was it bold? Okay. We'll increase it a little. Are they the same? This one has a size of 55. This one has a size of 47. They are not quite the same. Now we have 55. Okay. Now we are good. You can move to reflection, enable reflection. Same here. Now we will try to centralize it. Now here is what we achieved. To save your file, click on this. After you click on it, click on save as image. Click on this default, author, and then save to gallery. And that is it. Below here, once it's saved, it will show you. The more quality you add, or the better the quality, the more time it takes to save. Now image saved, you can see that. So that is it. You can go to your gallery and you find it. So that is just how to make a simple logo. Thank you. We would be meeting in the next class.